All right, happy Tuesday morning, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and start reading together. We're going to go over our learning targets. Our first learning target is I can read tricky words. We're going to be reviewing and using our tricky words in sentences today. I can say and hear the A sound. That's right. We're going to be learning a new sound today together that Miss Akin is very excited about. I can blend sounds to read words. Yes, we're going to be blending sounds to read words. And our last target, I can answer and ask questions about a story. I know you're ready to get started. We're going to start off by reading our tricky words. And Miss Nakin is going to use them in a sentence. I'm going to challenge you to think of your own sentences to go with each of your tricky words today. So let's get started. Let's read the first one together. When. When is your birthday? Word. The word are is a tricky word. Why? Why are you so tired? 2. I wish we could go to the park. Where? Where are you having your birthday party? No. Mom said no when I asked if we could have a sleepover. Said. Dad said we could jump on the trampoline together. What? What would you like for lunch? So. I am so happy that you came over to play. Which vegetable is your favorite? He is my little brother. She is my best friend. We had a great time playing together. B. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. Me. Thank you for thinking of me and bringing me flowers. Here. I wish you were here to spend the day. There. I see an orange cat over there. Now we're going to go over our letter sounds. We're going to start with our vowels. Miss Nakim wants you to echo me, and here we go. A, E, I, A. We're going to move on to our consonants. Echo me. P, N, M, V, B, T, W, Z, D. Yes, now we're going to move on to our digraphs. That's right, 2 letters that make one special sound, and here we go. Ch, sh, f, buzzy, v, qu, and our ending digraph, ng. We learned a new sound last week. We learned that our double E's make our sound E. Echo me, E. We are going to be learning a new sound today. It is the sound A. That's right, echo me, A. This sound is going to look a little different when we write this sound and when we see this sound in words. These two letters are our letter team. If you notice, there is a space between our A and our E. That's right. Even though there's a space between those two letters, these two letters work together as a team to make the sound A. One sound. Let's look at our word that we have over here. We have G. That's right, let's start over. G. You notice Miss Nakhan has an arrow between these two letters, our A and E. That's to help you remember that those two letters make the sound A. So when I blend this word, listen to Miss Nakhan blended. G, A, game. That's right, one more time. Watch how I pull down when I say the sound for those letters together. G, A, game. Very good. Let's try another word that has our new sound, our letter team for A. We're going to try to read this word together. Let's get ready to read with Miss Nakhan. Miss Nakhan is going to write the word, and you're going to help me blend and practice our new sound. Okay. Here we go. All right, let's get ready to blend. G-r. That's our blend. Grr, grr. Oh, now here's our team, and here's our letter team. Remember that A and E work together to say A, and then we're going to blend our P. So let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Grr, A, P, grape. Very good. That is the word grape. Let's try one more word together that has our new special sound. Okay, Miss Nakhan is going to write the word over here. I'm going to give you some think time to try to read that word with your new sound and your new letter team. Okay, here we go. A, D. Very good. A, D. Made. We made a birthday cake for my mom. You did such a good job reading these words together. Now, we're going to keep going, and we're going to move on to our practice page. I want you to pay attention and notice that when you see this sound, our A sound, you're going to see it written like this because you're going to have a blank right here where your consonant goes in between that team and words. So we have A as in ache, make. Do you see how the k is in the middle? It fills in that space between our team. So even though our team has a space, it's separated, they're not together, they do come together to make the sound A. So on your practice page that you're going to work on later by yourself, you're going to be tracing your words that have your A. And Miss Nakhan would also like you to draw your little arrow, your little V, to show that those two letters come together to make one sound, A. On this line, you're going to write the word by yourself twice. Then we're going to move on to another word that has our new sound, our A sound. Let's get ready to blend. Ready? S, A, S, A, same. That's right. You're going to trace. Then you're going to write it by yourself. And don't forget to draw your little V, your little arrow, to show me your letter team. All right, we have a new story that we're going to be reading today. It's called Cakes and Grapes. Good, let's read that title together. Cakes and Grapes. What do you notice about the word cakes and grapes? Masaki is going to give you some think time. What do you notice about these two words? Yes, you are so smart. Did you notice that those two words have our brand new sound? Yes, we have our letter team. We have our A in the word cake, and we have our A in the word grapes. You're going to be seeing some words in your story today that have that A team. Let's read our words together that you're going to be seeing in your story. Here we go. We have cake, share, jade, grapes, gave, and ate. Yes, you're going to see all these words in our story today. Let's get ready to read our story, Cakes and Grapes. Okay. Scott got a cake to share with his pal Jade. Jade got a bunch of red grapes to share with Scott. Scott went to Jade's and gave Jade the cake. Jade gave Scott the grapes. Then the kids sat and ate. Jade ate all of Scott's cake. Scott ate all of Jade's grapes. That does sound delicious. And there's Jade, and there is Scott. Yes, Jade is eating Scott's cake, and Scott is eating Jade's grapes. Let's read that story one more time together, and then we're going to be answering some questions. Cake and grapes. Scott got a cake to share with his pal Jade. Jade got a bunch of red grapes to share with Scott. Scott went to Jade's and gave Jade the cake. Jade gave Scott the grapes. Then the kids sat and ate. Jade ate all of Scott's cake. Scott ate all of Jade's grapes. They seem like very nice friends. So these are the questions that Miss Nakim would like you to talk about and go over. Let's look at our first question. What does Scott share with Jade? That's right. Scott shares his cake. Where does Jade share with Scott? Excuse me, that should be what? What does Jade share with Scott? That's right, her red grapes, her grapes. How do you know Jade and Scott enjoyed their food? Ooh, that's a great question. How do you know Jade and Scott enjoyed their food? Oh, that's right. You know how Miss Nake knew they enjoyed it? From that illustration. Yes, illustration give us lots of important details. Look at their faces. They're smiling, they're laughing. I can really tell that they're enjoying their food by really paying attention